How to use Systane. It is important to learn the right technique for administering eye drops in your eyes. Before touching your eyes, always wash your hands. Shake bottle before use. Never share your bottle of eye drops. 1. Tilt your head back. Gently pull down the lower eyelid to form a pocket. 2. Squeeze 1 or 2 drops inside the pocket formed between the lower lid and your eye, making sure the nozzle does not touch your eye, the skin round your eye or your fingers, to avoid contamination. 3. Release your lower eyelid and blink 2 to 3 times to allow the fluid to spread evenly over the eye surface. 4. If required, repeat the procedure in the other eye. 5. After using the drops, replace cap to close the bottle completely. Remember, never share your bottle of eye drops. Systane.